There we go. It goes this way. It goes this way. It has 5 sides for you, Diana. Here we go. Yeah, get that out of the way. We don't need this. What's this side now? There it is. What's this one?
That's the bottom. No?
The other one's just a wooden side. Oh, let's see.
We'll have to check the instruction manual.
Totally.
Yeah, it's got little locks.
Oh, okay.
There's one
'Cause
over here,
I see. That's how it packs.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Aha.
Ah, there's the last side. What? Look at that, and it's got the little wooden on the side. Look at this side. They all push around. They go up and down. What is this one? Hey. And these ones move around with the fun little sound. What else do we have? Should we keep exploring? It's a giraffe. You know all about giraffes. Look at this side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I wonder if maybe there's a bang inside. Let's see, let's see. I don't know. And what's this one? Magnets. Cool. What do you think? Success?
I think success. That looks awesome.
What do you think? There's gotta be a... Yeah, I bet you the mallets are inside.
Yeah, there's...
Ooh, I found mallets. What? Diana, this is so exciting. Can you say thank you, Granny?
Say thanks, Granny.
Granny, you're
Big
the
smile.
bestest.
Ah, big smile.
Look, look. Ooh, look. Ooh, but you need to do it with the wooden mallet. Goodness, exciting. Look at all the sides it has. Look at this one goes right. What do you think? That's awesome.
That's pretty sweet. Say thanks, Granny.
You say thank you, Granny. Pull up then. You want to stand up on it? Ah. Yay! What is that? Oh, and now there's paper and a real camera to play with.
All right. Awesome. Merry Christmas.